Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys an unboxing or unwrapping of origami paper. Today I wanted to share with you guys this new pattern that I found at the store, 100 yen store called Cydia. They're very similar to Daiso. They have lots of home goods items, so they're kind of a fun place to check out if you do happen to be coming to Japan. You definitely want to check out the 100 yen stores. But like I said, there's not just Daiso, there's also this place called Cydia, and they have a lot of really great craft items in general. And then they have this whole section of origami paper and design paper. One of the things nice about Cydia is they do try to have most of their things made in Japan, which is kind of cool. And this particular paper is made by a company called KYOWA, which is in Japan. And their designs are always really fun, and they have really bright colors and good quality stuff, I think, for what you get. Because it's 108 yen, that's not even barely $1, you know, or $1. Can't remember the rate today, but you know, it's about $1. So this is some design paper that has an Oriental theme, and you get 48 sheets of paper, and so that gives you 12 patterns of each. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like here. So inside, like I said, there's the 4 patterns. You get this really nice, pretty one on the dark red or burgundy almost. You get this really cute striped kind of colored with the dark yellow there. That's really pretty. Very, very pretty with a little accent of like the paisley there in the middle. And then this one, oh wow, paisley. I love paisley. This is so beautiful. That's a really pretty pattern with that kind of teal or turquoise color. And then this cute one at the back here that's sort of a white background with a blue and red motif on it with floral pattern for that. That's really pretty. So really nice, fun design paper to have. Like I said, the quality of the Chiyogami is pretty good. It's just your standard printed paper kind of paper here. You're going to get pretty good folds out of this. It's really good for that. So definitely something to consider if you know you're coming to Japan. Like I always tell people, you've got to go to these stores because you will be able to find so many cool things and not even spend any money, which is awesome. So I wanted to share this new pattern with you guys today, and I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys too, so check back for that. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!